Patatus is Latin and means to be ready or prepared. While the American pronunciation paratus may sound a little different, the underlying principle of preparedness remains rock solid and is the foundation of our company. Paratus is a full-service infrastructure equipment and service provider comprised of equipment rentals, engineering, fabrication, restoration, structural drawing, and mechanical construction, concentrating our expertise in the electric power generation and temperature control markets with a special emphasis on turnkey installations. If a catastrophic event occurs, we ensure that your facility is operational as quickly as possible and that your business interruption is minimized. Traditional disaster recovery business continuity companies focus on a business's data, software applications, servers, or any of 100 functions that still rely on the basic infrastructure to operate. At Paratus, we leave things like data and software to the experts in those fields. We focus on what we are experts in: restoration of power, temperature control, and high-speed structural drawing. Even with the greatest disaster recovery plan, many businesses simply cannot pick up, relocate, and continue to operate after a disaster, whether it is an act of Mother Nature, an equipment failure, an accident, or worse, a terror attack. Some businesses, such as hotels, restaurants, retail stores, doctors' offices, car dealers, schools, and gas stations, simply cannot operate in a virtual world. They need to have a disaster recovery and business continuity plan that allows them to conduct business the old-fashioned way, at their physical location. We provide infrastructure equipment and services to keep your business open, with generators to provide electrical power, chillers to provide buildings with cold water, air conditioning to provide buildings cooling, electric heating to provide buildings heating, and water evacuation and dry-out services. Paratus is committed to providing efficient, flexible, cost-effective, and on-time energy and temperature solutions to its clients through the full range of world-class rental products and installation services such as rental electrical power, rental air conditioning, rental heating, and superior dry-out dehumidification services. When the unexpected happens, you and your business deserve the peace of mind that can only be delivered by Paratus, the one and only complete infrastructure equipment and services provider. Paratus Emergency Response Services and Paratus Rentals are available at over 24 locations in North America by simply calling 855-313-RENT.